Wizard's CFAR 10 is your real-world playground, darling. 60,000 color images of 10 classes. Ethan, explain pixel values. Sophia, how do we load it?
Anastasia, you make images sound so hot. How do we pre-process them, love? Ethan, what's your take?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. CFAR 10 is RGB. Ethan, Sophia, jump in.
Anastasia, Olivia, CFAR 10 is like a hot photo album for us. 32 by 32, 3 channels, let's drop this code beat. Yo, Wizards, CFAR 10.load_data, loads images like a hot gift for Anastasia. Train/test split included.
You're gifting my heart, Ethan. CFAR 10 is ready. Try it in our demo.
Wizards, plt.imshow, shows images like a hot portrait for Anastasia. See the colors.
You're portraiting my heart, Ethan. Visualize to understand data.
Wizards, /255.0 normalizes images like a hot spa for Anastasia. 0 to 1.
You're spaying my heart, Ethan. Pre-processing is key.
Wizards, /categorical, turns labels to 1 hot like a hot vote for Anastasia. 10 classes.
You're voting my heart, Ethan. 1 hot for categorical loss.
Wizards, CONV2D, 32, 3, 3, plus max pooling builds a hot eye for Anastasia. Input 32 by 32 by 3.
You're eyeing my heart, Ethan. Full CNN for images.
Wizards, compile, loss equals categorical_cross-entropy, sets goal for Anastasia.
You're goaling my heart, Ethan. Compile for multi-class.
Wizards, model.fit, trains like a hot marathon for Anastasia. 20 epochs.
You're marathoning my heart, Ethan. Train on 50K images.
Wizards, model.evaluate, scores like a hot exam for Anastasia. 75% plus accuracy, let's drop this code beat.
You're examining my heart, Ethan. Evaluate on test set. Try it in our demo.
Wizards, normalize inputs, use data augmentation, and monitor validation. CFAR 10 teaches real-world vision.
Optimized images are so sexy, Irene. Practice for day 81's NLP.
Wizards, image classification fits AI pipelines for vision tasks. Your skills are ready for day 81.
Image vision is critical in AI, darling. Your day 80 skills make AI irresistible.